Now you're ready to begin drawing. Start by making a line around the edge of your paper. Next, draw a circle in the center of your paper. The next step is to draw lines that divide your paper into 4 quadrants. Then add lines connecting the corners. But don't draw through the circle. Pretend that your line goes behind the circle. Now you'll begin drawing lines from the center out toward the edge of your paper. You'll see that I begin at a corner and I draw a straight line so that it ends just a little bit in from the edge. As I'm working, I also turn my paper around because it's easier for me to draw straight lines in one direction. You'll find the way that's most comfortable for you. Some of you might want to turn your paper, others might want to leave your paper still. This will look different if you're right-handed or left-handed, so experiment and find the way that's most comfortable for you. It's important to remember that your lines don't have to be perfectly straight. The sunburst pattern will be created by the accumulation of all of your lines, and it won't matter if each individual line looks perfectly straight, because the effect of all of them together is what creates the pattern. Don't worry about working as quickly as you see me working on the video. I've actually edited the video so that it's going a little bit faster than I'm drawing in real life. Keep drawing lines until you fill up the whole area, and then move on to the next. You'll continue working this way until each area is filled with the sunburst pattern. As you fill the last area of your sunburst pattern, you'll notice that all of your straight lines are adding up to give the illusion that you've actually drawn curved lines. The last step in creating your sunburst pattern is to fill in the center circle. You'll imagine 4 different areas of this center circle to draw your first 4 lines, and then you'll proceed in the same way that you did for the outside sections. You'll begin at a corner and then move your line in just a bit to intersect with the next line. Continue around and around and around until you fill the whole center area.